Hello, let me show you how you can try to fix this issue when one of your Powerbeats Pro second generation is not working. It's not making sound, or for example, it's not connecting. So first of all, I will actually start by disconnecting this device from your current device and completely forget. Now you have to just input both of them inside the charging case, close this case, and then recharge for like 5 or 10 minutes. So you have to be sure that this indicator lights up after you connect this into the power supply. When you finished, you will have to just open the charging case like that, keep both earbuds inside, click and hold this button, and right now just take a look on this small indicator. It will start blinking, you will also hear that beep sound, and you have to still keep holding this button. You have to hold it all the time, and take a look right now. We are on the reset process, and now it will go white again. Now release, close this case, and then open it. Right now you should be in the pairing mode automatically, so try to repair your Powerbeats with your device, and now you can tell me if it works. If it is not working, then I can highly recommend you to contact with customer service, because there's like no any other way to actually fix this by yourself. The reset is the only method.